What if AI could build other AIs without a single line of human code? Imagine giving a system just a sentence and watching it spin up entire workflows, solve tasks, and build new agents on the fly, with no human in the loop. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it might just change how the world works. In this video, we break down the rise of self-building, recursive AI, and why top engineers say this is the future of automation. You're watching NextCore AI, the channel where we decode tomorrow's tech today. Emergence AI, founded by former IBM researchers, has launched a platform that generates custom agents on the spot using just a text prompt. That means you don't need to code. You don't need to configure logic flows. You type what you want, like extract data from these reports and build a dashboard. And the system creates agents that do exactly that in real time. At the core of Emergence AI is the Orchestrator, a logic engine that evaluates incoming tasks, checks available resources, and builds what's missing. This is more than automation. It's creative logic built by machines. It starts by consulting an internal registry of existing agents. If none match the task, it builds a new one using top-tier large language models like GPT 4.0, GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and Meta's LLaMA 3.3. Would you trust a machine to build your tools from scratch? Drop a comment and tell us where you draw the line. Creation, delegation, full autonomy? This isn't just code generation. Once created, agents execute actions, verify outcomes, and improve over time through a process Emergence calls self-play. Think of it like chess, but instead of pieces, the agents test variations of themselves, see which strategy works best, and upgrade without outside help. Over time, these agents don't just complete tasks, they evolve. The orchestrator continually monitors performance, learns from results, and uses recursive loops to reassess and adapt. It doesn't just use tools, it decides what tools to build. The intelligence behind this system lies in recursive thinking. When the orchestrator encounters a task it can't solve, it creates a new sub-goal: build an agent that can. Each agent is task-specific, equipped with memory, and able to plan and verify its output. Once complete, it's stored in the internal registry for reuse. In a demo, Emergence showed a real-time timeline of agent creation. Each agent was color-coded by function, from data extraction to reporting. Over time, the orchestrator needed fewer new agents, reusing existing ones and optimizing efficiency. This solves the common issue of agent bloat in multi-agent systems. While many AI tools target consumer chatbots, Emergence AI is aimed at enterprise workflows. It automates ETL pipelines, manages cloud data migrations, transforms large data sets, and builds dashboards from unstructured spreadsheets. It's also used for summarization and classification tasks, replacing what used to require manual scripting. If you've ever spent hours coding dashboards, cleaning data, or building reports, this could save you weeks. Subscribe to NextCore AI to stay ahead of the tools that are replacing old workflows, and maybe even old jobs. At the 2024 AI Engineer World's Fair, CEO Satya Nadella pointed out that while LLMs can write code, they can't execute or verify it on their own. Emergence bridges that gap with agents that generate and execute code, validate output, and flag errors. This offers truly end-to-end automation. Unlike platforms like LangChain or Crew AI, which link pre-built agents, Emergence builds agents dynamically from scratch. As Satya said, they orchestrate, we create. Users interact via plain language. The system designs, executes, and manages agents autonomously. While LangChain and Crew AI require developers to predefine roles and logic trees, Emergence writes that logic itself. That means true adaptability and fewer bottlenecks from human design errors. Over time, the orchestrator identifies patterns and reuses agents, addressing the issue of agent sprawl. It builds a smarter internal registry, solves more tasks with fewer agents, and optimizes resources, all without extra human input. Despite its autonomy, Emergence AI is built with guardrails. Access controls limit who can create or execute agents. Verification rubrics ensure agents meet objectives, and human-in-the-loop validation allows oversight at key checkpoints. Automation is the goal, but it's always under human-defined intent. Here at NextCore AI, we believe real innovation isn't just about what's possible. It's about how it's controlled. If you value clean, unbiased breakdowns of the tools shaping our future, subscribe now and turn on notifications. The platform is also highly interoperable. It supports a range of models and integrates with frameworks like LangChain, Microsoft's AutoGen, and Crew AI. This makes it easy to plug into existing enterprise systems. Looking ahead, a major update in May 2025 will allow containerized deployment in any cloud. It will also expand self-play, enabling agents to simulate more task variations and improve autonomously. Emergence AI's team includes veterans from IBM Research, Google Brain, the Allen Institute for AI, Amazon, and Meta. Though still in early development, it's already in testing across the US, Europe, and Asia. The bigger picture? This kind of self-building AI signals a shift in how tasks are handled. LLMs can generate code, but agentic systems can act. Emergence's Orchestrator takes us from tool creation to tool delegation. As workflows get more complex, static systems won't keep up. Recursive platforms that build and adapt could become the backbone of enterprise infrastructure. The real question now isn't what AI can do. It's what you trust it to handle. Static tools will fall behind. AI that builds, learns, and adapts in real time will take over. And platforms like Emergence show us that future is much closer than we think. But here's the real question. Would you rather build tools or tell AI what you need and let it handle the rest? Comment below and tell us, would you trust a self-creating AI with your workflow? Subscribe to NextCore AI for faceless, cinematic breakdowns of the tech redefining how we work, think, and lead. No hype, no fluff, just the future, decoded.